Simply put, without making a will, there's no way to guarantee your estate will go to the people that you want it to. Instead, the intestacy rules will apply, and this is laws that dictate who should inherit your estate if you haven't made a will, and that might not necessarily be the people that you would want to inherit. So, as a statement of your last wishes, there are many things you can say in your will. You can appoint executors to deal with your estate. If you've got minor children, you can appoint guardians to care for them. You can make specific gifts of your personal belongings to friends or family, whoever you choose. Also gifts to charities. And you're also able to dictate who should inherit the remainder of your estate, so the main part of your estate. We generally advise against people creating their own wills, because if you make it yourself, it may be likely that there are issues in executing the will. If it's not executed correctly, then it may be deemed invalid. Also, without correct legal advice, it may not meet the strict legal requirements. It may not deal with the full extent of your estate, or it may be too ambiguous to follow. We generally advise that you should review your will every 3 to 5 years, or if your personal or financial circumstances should change in any way. It's also vital that you review your will upon marriage, as the will will be automatically revoked in these circumstances unless it's been made in anticipation of that marriage. It may be possible for your will to be drafted to make your estate as tax efficient as possible. This is always something we'll consider when preparing a will for you. If you would like to know more about making a will, reviewing an existing will, or creating a lasting power of attorney, please don't hesitate to contact me or any member of the private client team, and we'd be happy to help you. We also offer a free 30-minute consultation to discuss these matters. We hope to meet with you soon.